pleasant morning to every one of you. I am Joshua Villasana and I am here to report the circulatory system, its roles and function of the heart, blood, and blood vessels. So, before I start, who among the class has an idea on how a circulatory system affect our body, or how does it, be a part of our system? Anyone? Yes, Miss Rose Ann?
Sa circulatory, diba, the main parts of this is the heart. So, the heart is, pinapump na yung blood para mag-regulate yung oxygen throughout our body.
Oh, that's right. Who else? Yes, Miss Nairiel.
So, diba kasama sa circulatory ng heart, kapag once na damage yun, aapay pa tayo ng buong katawan ng isang tao at pwede mag-cause ng death.
That's correct. Anyone? Yes, Miss Eshaya.
Yung white blood cells, nag-blood sila para protect sunan yung balat natin or internal organs na kami kamusunan.
All of your answers are correct and related to our topic. So let's proceed. So, the function of the circulatory system, it is to transport blood around the body. The blood itself also carries numerous other substances which the body requires to function. Siyempre, our blood will not function if it's just liquid. Siyempre, kailangan na magkaroon ng nutrients or vitamins na magkakaroon upang mag-function yung body natin. Kasi if it is just liquid, it will just run around our body. Pero hindi siya nakaka-help kung paano ba nag-function yung katawan natin. So, kailangan meron siyang nutrients na nilalaman. So, yung main substance na nakaano sa blood natin is yung oxygen, carried by the protein called hemoglobin. Who among you has an idea about a hemoglobin? Yes, Miss Jamalika. Okay, another. Yes, Miss Miran.
Parang, ayun, sabi dito, nasa loob siya ng blood cells na parang tumutulong din para hindi agad-agad magkaroon ng diseases yung mga tao.
That's right. Hemoglobin are found inside the red
blood cells.
The red blood. So, hindi lang red blood cells yung meron, which we also have white blood cells na it is also vital in fighting disease and infections. Ito yung tinatawag na, kumbaga, nutrients na nag-help sa ating immune system para malabanan natin yung different disease na pwedeng makuha natin. Meron din tayo blood na nagko-contains ng platelets which are essential for clotting the blood, which occurs following an injury to stop blood loss. Di ba pag nagkakasugat tayo, meron tayong nagkakaroon ng parang red na matigas. Yun yung tinatawag natin na platelets. And yung blood, nag-carry din siya ng waste products such as carbon dioxide away from muscles and organs in order to be dispelled by the lungs. Naintindihan ko ba? Yeah, so how the circulatory system works. So meron tayong 3 processes kung paano nag-work yung circulatory system natin. The first one is systemic Sa tingin nyo, ano ang nangyayari dito sa systemic circulation? Sa tingin nyo, ano nangyayari sa systemic circulation? Anyone? Ito yung pinakamadaling, madaling process. Yes, Ms. Rose Ann.
Di ba when we say systematic, it is organized. So, yung blood parang kinikerry. Parang yung dumadala yung dugo around our body.
That's right. It carries blood around the body. Siyempre, it isn't systemic, so kailangan nagiging organized yung flow ng blood sa body natin. So, in systemic circulation, nangyayari na yung blood is, nadidistribute siya around the body. Sa pangalawa naman is pulmonary circulation. Okay, from the word itself, pulmonary circulation. Yes, Mr. Justin.
It carries the blood from the lungs, or it carries around.
Yes, that's correct. So sinabi nga natin dito na pulmonary circulation, so yung blood is kinikerry natin siya into the lungs. Okay, sir, for our third one is the coronary. Okay, sino may idea about coronary circulation? Yes, Mr. Aaron.
Coronary circulation, yun yung sa heart natin, siya yung nagsusupply ng sarili niyang dugo doon sa ating heart.
Amazing! Tama siya. Pinaprovide ito yung dugo sa heart natin para mag-pump. The heart feeds its own. Okay, naintindihan mo ba ang three processes? Yes. Okay, magpupunta na tayo. So, heart. The heart is a strong, powerful organ consisting of cardiac muscles. So, sa tingin nyo, ano yung pinaka-main function ng heart? Anyone? Yes, Mr. Adrian.
Siyempre, to pump a blood and to deliver to our kapatid. To work.
That's correct. Yes, Mr. De Andras.
Yung main function is to pump blood. Tsaka it is to pump blood continuously without getting fatigue.
That's right. Mr. Galate.
To pump blood and to provide the oxygen and also removing carbon dioxide.
All of you said is correct, but let's have trivia first. Did you know that the heart is the size of a large fist? Yes. Place your hand like this, and then that's the size of your heart.
Wow.
It's amazing, right? And its weight is 310 grams for male. And for female, it is 255. And sa tingin nyo, ilang liters yung pinapump niya daily? Who has an idea? Yes, Miss Cherry? No. Yes, Miss Christine. No. Super. Yes, Mr. Lawrence.
2,000 liters.
No. Another one? Yes, Miss Cruz. No, ang Filipino.
Per day?
30.
No.
40.
Per day?
Ang baba, kakaunti. It's
500.
7,200 liters. O ngayon, alam nyo na kung gaano marami. And also, yung heartbeat natin, sa tingin nyo, gaano siya kadalas na beat? Yes, Mr. Alaque.
Sir.
Ilang times? Gaano kadalas?
Sir.
Ilang times sa isang araw? 6 to 100.
No. No?
Sir.
Yes, Mr. Jericho.
3 billion times. 3 billion times.
No. Okay, i-reveal ko na ba?
Mali pa rin naman ito.
Ito ay 100 times daily. Daily na siya ha, 100,000 times. Oo. According to my research. Do you have any clarification? And also, per minute ay 60 to 80.
70.
Okay, enough of the trivia. Meron ba kayo natutunan sa trivia natin?
Yes po.
So, anatomy of the heart. The heart consists of 4 chambers and is divided into left and right by a wall muscle called the septum. So, sa tingin nyo dito sa illustration natin, nasaan kaya yung 4 chambers of heart? Yes, Miss Cherry, William Clark. That's correct. So, heart yan. Wala kami So, meron sinasabi dito na nagdi-divide sa kanila, like wall. So, ito yon. Yung black, tama? Yung black na yan, yung wall na nagdi-divide sa kanila. So, yung 4 na yon is, it consists 2 atrium and 2 ventricle, which is the right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. So, the left side again contains an atrium and ventricle. The left atrium receives the deoxygenated blood returning from the lungs, and the ventricle then pumps this blood around the body. Maliwanag ba doon sa 4 chambers of heart? Who can please read Miss Aban?
During this translation, blood being pumped from the left vertical has a trouble. A more forceful contraction is required. For this reason, the muscular wall of the left side is thicker than that of the right side. The atria ventricles are separated by values known as atrioventricular or AV valves. purpose is to prevent blood from flowing in the wrong direction, following the movement of blood from the atrium into the ventricle. The valve snaps shut, which causes the first heart sound of the heartbeat, often described love valve, with the closing of the AV valve being the love.
Ayan, so kapag inilapit natin yung mga tenga natin sa heart, kung saan naroon yung heart natin, may maririnig tayo na sound. Ano yung sound na yun?
Heartbeat.
Paano? Mali! Yun yung sound na? Ay! Oo. Ano sa akin? Try nyo nga. Ewa, try nyo i-sound siya and then pakinggan nyo yung heart. Go! Oo, sa katabi.
Wala ba?
Meron, o paano yung sound niya? Covered.
Laro.
Diba yung sound niya is lug-lug? Kasi yung atrial ventricle ay separated by valves known as anteroventricular. And the purpose of this valve is to prevent blood from flowing in the wrong direction. Following the movement of blood from the atrium into the ventricle, the AV valve snaps shut, which causes the heart sound. Okay, so naintindihan nyo na. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Ayan, ito naman yung process kung paano nag-flow yung blood through our heart. The first one is, please read, Mr. Olave.
First, the right heart takes in blood carrying carbon dioxide. The second one is blood is twice squeezed down into the right ventricle and taken to the lungs, where oxygen replaces carbon dioxide.
Okay, so makikita natin dito sa illustration na from number 1, the right atrium takes in blood carrying carbon dioxide. Ano nga ba yung carbon dioxide na kinikerry ng right atrium? Ano yung carbon dioxide? Ano yung purpose ng carbon dioxide?
Blood carrying carbon dioxide.
Yes, Miss Rose Ann?
Yung carbon dioxide, is yung parang waste na gas na nilalabas ng
Tama! So, makikita natin siya na ito. Tapos, mapupunta siya sa process number 2, which is blood is squeezed down into the right ventricle and taken to the lungs, where oxygen replaces carbon dioxide. Okay, naintindihan ba yun?
Yes.
The next one, please read Miss Sheena.
Oxygen carrying blood from the lungs enters the left atrium, or blood is pumped into the left ventricle and starts its journey again throughout the body.
So pagkatapos mapunta ng oxygen na nag-carry ng blood sa lungs, papasok naman siya dito sa left atrium. And then, yung blood is pumped into the left ventricle and starts its journey again throughout the body. Kumbaga, naikot siya sa heart natin. And it happens daily. Tingin nyo, kapag nag-start mag-pump yung ating heart, ano mangyayari? Oo, namatay, di ba?
Yes.
Dead at arrival po.
So, ipagpapatuloy ni Miss Cheryl Villaflores.
Hello everyone, I am William Flores Jerry, and I will give you details of this part. So this week, listen to that.
Heartbeat and cardiac rhythms. The heartbeat is carried by a rhythm from through specialized group of cells within
atrial road situated in the wall of the right atrium initiates the beat, and the atrioventricular fluid, which is position between the ventricles and continues to distribute the weight of the blood.
Thank you, Miss Natisa. So our heart is made of specialized cardiovascular tissue. So ito yung ating pumping organ na nag-aano sa ating circulatory system. So as you can see sa heart natin, meron tayong tinatawag na SA and AP. Ito ay ang sino? Atrio. Sino atrio? Napicturean nyo na yung napicturean nyo na ba? Picturean na ba? Picturean nyo na. Kukulay ka na. So yun, meron tayong tinatawag na SA or ang sino atrio. Atrial. Ano sila? Ang ating atrio. Ventricular. So yun. So ang ating sino-atrial ay sa madaling explanation, ang sino-atrial node natin, siya yung nagsisimula upang mag-pump ang ating heart. While the vertical node naman, siya yung nagme-make sure na nagpa-pump ng ayos ng ating heart. So bukod sa sino-atrial node at So, bukod sa ating SA node at AP node, meron tayong tinatawag ng forward ventricle, which is the discuss ni Mr. Dasana kanina. Ito ang ating right atrium at right ventricle, and also left atrium at left ventricle. So, kulay blue ang right atrium at vertical natin kasi meron tayong, kasi kumakatawan siya sa deoxygenated blood o tubong merong mababa ang oxygen. So, ang responsibility nito sa ating heart is siya yung kumukuha ng blood na merong low oxygen na dinadala sa ating lungs upang makakuha tayo ng fresh air. While the left atrium and left vertical naman ay siya yung fully red siya because kumakatawan siya sa oxygenated blood, which is yung blood ginagaling sa ating lungs, then nalagaan siya ng oxygen sa iba't ibang bahagi ng ating katawan upang ma-make sure na natakbo ng ayos ang ating organ and cells. The heartbeat. There are several stages before a full heartbeat. Cardiac systole describes the period at which the heart contracts, and cardiac diastole describes the period of relaxation between beats. They can, however, be further divided into diastole and systole of the atria and ventricles. The phases of a heartbeat can also be divided into sections relating to the shape of the electrical signals produced when viewing the heartbeat via an ECG or electrocardiogram or ECG. This traces the electrical activity of the heart. The wave shape produced is called the QRS wave, which is part of the wave being labeled to help describe what is happening at its state. So, ang cardiac wave, aside and this is siya yung parang pag-ano ng ating heart. For example, you are blowing a balloon. Di ba kung nag-blow tayo ng balloon, parang kumuha tayo ng maraming hangin sa ating katawan. Then, pag-blow na natin, dito naman 60 to 100. So, wallet, hindi lahat ay ganun ang takbo ng gusto. Nagsisimula lang siya kung hindi na itong kabilis if we are 16 years old to above. Mas mabilis pa yung tipo ng gusto ng mga first born and the rest hanggang 15 years old. This week,
BPED interval, ventricular diastole, atria and ventricles are relaxed. That is flowing in the atria from the veins as the atrial pressure increase above that of the ventricle. The AV valves open, allowing blood to flow into the ventricle. Relate arterial. The SA node fires and atria contract, causing atrial cycle, which forces all blood into the ventricles, emptying the atria. You are interval and ventricular diastole. The AV valves remain open as all remaining blood is squeezed into the ventricles. The electrical impulse from the SA node reaches the AV node, which spread the signal throughout the walls of the ventricles via specialized cells called bundles of TSF fibers. The heartbeat, the end of ventricular diastole, and the start of cycle. RS interval ventricular cycle, as the blood is now all within the ventricles, and so pressure is higher here than in the atria. The AV valves close. The ventricles start to contract, although pressure is not yet high enough to open SL valves. As this segment, ventricular cycle, pressure increases until it equals aortic pressure when the SL valve is open. The blood is ejected into the aorta and pulmonary artery. As the ventricles contract, at the same time, the arteria are in diastole and filling with blood returning from the veins. T-wave, ventricular diastole, the ventricles relax. The ventricular pressure is once again less than the aortic pressure, and so the SL valves close. The cycle continues.
so thank you, Miss Nani. So this is the wave, na sabi natin. This is the P wave. This is the P wave. The Q wave, R wave, then S wave. Ito yung S wave. Okay. Tapos T wave, then T wave, this is wave. So ang P wave natin, siya yung parang nagsisimula ng ating heartbeat. So bale, di ba heartbeat naman natin hindi agad pa ganun? So bale, siya yung parang relaxation ng ating heartbeat na pahingan. Tapos sabi naman, pababa. Parang ito yung yung QRS. Siya yung literal parang heartbeat natin na parang di ba yung heartbeat natin parang sunod-sunod pa? Di ba? Siya yun. Siya yung QRS natin. So bale, ang ating R rate ay siya yung pinakamataas na yung ng ating heart. Tapos ito namang S wave naman, siya naman yung pinakapagpulas. Tapos yung T wave naman natin, S wave, siya naman yung breath pagkatapos ng ating heartbeat. So kapag kapag ang T wave mo ay biglang straight. Kasi alam mo na, nag-blend ka. So yun, pagkatapos ng S wave, ay meron naman tayo tinatawag na T wave, which is the relaxation step. So this is how our heartbeat. Ito yung paano yung heartbeat. Dito yung heartbeat. Kung paano yung heartbeat natin yung so let's proceed to cardiac volumes. So cardiac volumes are the amount of blood moved by the heart at any time. So cardiac volume. So stroke volume.
Wait lang.